Alright guys, welcome back to Development Division. We got another video coming at you, and it's a Jeep video. And in today's video, I'm replacing my tail lights. You're probably thinking to yourself, Chris, these are JL tail lights. These things won't fit on the JK. But I'm here to tell you, you were wrong. These are specially built. They have the JK mounting hardware, and the cover itself, the actual light, is from a JL. These are smoked black, but the website sells them in clear, and I'm pretty sure like the stock OEM look with the red. The taillights I have here, let's go ahead and talk about what I have. Currently, these are some cheap Chinese JW speaker knockoffs. I cannot pay that price for the actual thing, and I haven't had any problems. Very little to no condensation on these things. They still light up, all the LEDs work. And this is a Rampage Products Eurolight taillight guard. I haven't had to bash this thing in at all, but it's there if I need it. So, taillights install super easy. You just take off these two Phillips head screws on each side, and this thing will slide out and come out. So without further ado, I'm going to throw on the GoPro and throw these taillights in. It should be a pretty quick video. Alright guys, so this is our taillight assembly. We have our mounting bracket here. This is what we're going to mount up first, and then this taillight assembly actually clicks into here and secures with two screws on the end. So we're going to do that really quickly. I'm going to go ahead and take this over to the Jeep. Pretty much all I did was just, like I said, take out these two screws. Don't take out all four of them. You're just making more work for yourself. And thankfully, these taillights don't need any changes. It plugs right up to your factory harness. This load resistor, as I was talking about, this will prevent hyperflash. And it's just whenever you go to the LEDs. I don't know the exact science behind all the electronics. You'll have to go to a different video, different person for that. But all I know is this prevents hyperflash. So if you do have a hyperflash issue, I have a video up on my channel putting in these load resistors in my old tail lights. But I'll leave that in the description box below. All right, guys. So I'm going to replace this screw with my factory screw here. This is not actually the factory screw. I got a replacement for it. Back when I got those new tail lights, the Eurolight guard was just a little bit too big, and I didn't get enough thread on the tail light. So I just went to Home Depot, got some extended length screws here, and these look kind of like sheet metal screws. Back to it, get this thing, snap that in. All right. So now I'll screw these. Alright guys, so it's fully installed here. Smoked. So I'm going to set up the camera, test these out, and see exactly how the light pattern is on these guys. So I'm going to turn out the lights in the shop and see how these guys light up. Oh, it's pretty cool. The brakes? Yeah. Nice. Yeah. Kind of bright. Yeah. Alright guys, so that is the install and the light test. And if you want to get these tail lights, I'll leave a link in the description box below if you want to get your own set. Different color options available. Again, I'll put that in the description box below. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and check out these guys. I'll put their name up. They have an Instagram handle here. And yeah, I'm not going to close the video here because it's probably not going to be a long video at all. So I'll come back probably tomorrow and work on sanding my Eclipse. I've been working on it just a little bit, There's a little bit of sanding here. It's kind of smoothing out all the rough spots, but I'll show you guys all this in detail and more in the next bit. So come back in like 0.5 seconds when I put in this transition, and we'll be working on the Eclipse. Alright guys, welcome back to a new video at the shop. Let me turn up the brightness a little bit so you guys can see what's going on. Alright, welcome back to another episode at Development Division. And today I have to clean out the shop a little bit. because we're possibly cleaning the way for a new project. And I know it's probably not the best decision to get into the project, but in this spot will be the second project bay. I'm not gonna tell you guys what it is yet, but as you guys can see, it's I can't put a car here because there's way too much stuff in the way. There's window trim for the Eclipse, you know, we have the engine stand for the Eclipse, dash, bumpers, interior pieces, all the new pieces for the Eclipse, all over the place. So I bought some shelving. Here is some shelving that I bought. It's exactly like the shelf that I have over here. I'll show you guys this if you guys haven't seen that video. It's pretty much just a shelf on all the engine bay components, or just components of the car. See, there's coilovers, manifolds, clutch over there, some more stuff all the way down, some stuff up top as well. I'm gonna put this together and clean up this part a little bit. I don't think I showed you guys this, but this is actually my harness bar that I ordered for the Eclipse. You know what? Let's just go ahead and unbox it. I haven't seen it. It's still factory wrapped. So let me go ahead and get my knife. So here it is. Here is the Brom harness bar. So I'm going to put this up in that area, but here it is. Kind of got the new parts up top, some window trim, other stuff. But yeah, looks pretty good. Cleaned up the space like I needed to. Now I just gotta find a place for the engine crane / stand and this ATV here. All right guys, so now we're gonna start sanding down the Eclipse. I kind of started a little bit on the top here, just doing a little bit of a crosshatch. Trying to get everything smooth. See, there's a little bit of pitting here. Big dent right here, see? But I'm pretty much just gonna start sanding this thing down, trying to get down to smoothness where I can body fill and then actually paint, start priming and painting this thing. I'm gonna try not to remove the windows that I don't have to. I know I made a big mistake not rolling this thing down before I started disassembling the car, which was a big no-no. So I'm gonna have to figure out a way to put this window down. Probably have to hook up a battery to that. And then there's things that I just couldn't take off. Like this is a wing mount. These screws were just too hard to take out. So I'm gonna try to do that today, along with this other piece of the wing that I haven't taken off yet. But other than that, I'm just gonna start sanding. It'll be a big B-roll clip of me just sanding things down. I'm not a body expert, so I really don't know too much about what I'm doing here. I'm just sanding it down, trying to get smoothness. Yeah, so without further ado, I'm just gonna get to sanding, set up some cameras, and hopefully make some progress today. Alright guys, so I've kind of been going at this for a couple hours now, and here's my progress. It's not much. I've only did pretty much this panel. Gonna do some more sanding on it. Probably needs a lot more sanding. I'm probably gonna take this off and sand this separate. So probably gonna do this in the next video or so. But here we go. Here's the progress. Obviously, I'm starting to take it down. You gotta start to expose a lot of the low spots and the imperfections, which is good. That's what I'm looking for. That's what we're gonna use for a body filler. But so far, so good. I'm not gonna show you guys just, come on, me sanding a car down for hours. I'm not gonna show you that footage, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll keep working on this, and the next time you guys see it, we'll probably have some more progress done. And so I'll just check in periodically while I'm doing that. So stay tuned for a new project. New project might be on the way. Wink, wink. And yeah, so subscribe, like, comment, do all that stuff. And I will be signing off now. So see you guys in the next video, and peace.